Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we learned how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 75 degrees angle. In this video, we are going to learn how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 105 degrees angle. Let's start. We have a question here. It says that using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a 105 degrees angle at O. So we have the line AB here, and this is point O, which falls on the line AB. We are going to construct the 105 degrees angle at point O. 105 degrees is equal to 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. We have learned how to construct both of these angles in the previous videos. In order to understand how to construct a 105 degrees angle very clearly, let's consider this simple sketch. Let's say that this is the line and this is point O, which falls on the line, and we are going to construct the 105 degrees angle at point O. With point O as the center, we open the compass to a reasonable radius and draw a semicircle. Let's call this point point A and this point B. With the same radius of the compass that we used to draw the semicircle, we will stand on point A and construct an arc to intersect the semicircle. As we have learned from the previous videos, the angle formed between this point and this point is 60 degrees. Let's say that this point is point C. If we draw a straight line to join point C to point O, we can say that the angle formed here, which is angle COA, is 60 degrees. Now, let's form a 90 degrees angle by bisecting the semicircle. To do that, we will stand on point A, open the compass to a reasonable radius, and construct an arc here. Then, with the same radius, we will stand on point B and construct another arc to intersect the first arc that we constructed. When we draw a straight line to join this point, that is the point of intersection of the two arcs to point O, we will form a 90 degrees angle. So the angle formed here is 90 degrees. Let's call this point D. Angle DOB is 90 degrees, and angle DOA is also 90 degrees. Now look at something here. We know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if the angle between point A and point C is 60 degrees, and the angle between point D and point B is 90 degrees, then the angle between point C and point D will be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 90 degrees, and that will give us 30 degrees. So the angle formed between point C and point D is 30 degrees. When we bisect a 30 degrees angle, we are going to get 15 degrees. So it means that when we bisect the angle between point C and point D, the angle formed here will be 15 degrees. Let's call this point E. If this point is point E, then we can say that angle EOB is 105 degrees, because angle EOB will be equal to 15 degrees plus 90 degrees. 15 degrees plus 90 degrees will give us 105 degrees. So this is how to construct a 105 degrees angle. Now that we understand how to go about it, let's do the actual construction. So we have the line AB here, and this is point O, which falls on the line AB. To begin, we will pick our compass and put the needle on point O, since we are constructing the angle at point O. We will open the compass to a reasonable radius, then you will turn it and construct a semicircle. So we have the semicircle constructed on the line AB. with the same radius that you used to construct the semicircle, you move the needle of the compass from point O to this point. Now, after that, you turn the compass and construct an arc to intersect the semicircle. As we have learned from the previous videos, the angle formed between this point and this point is 60 degrees. Now, let's construct the 90 degrees angle by bisecting the semicircle. To do that, you move the needle of the compass to this point, then you move the needle of the compass to this point, then you adjust the compass a little bit. So you adjust the compass a little bit, then you turn it and construct an arc here. After that, with the same radius, you move the needle of the compass to this point here, then you turn the compass and construct another arc to intersect the first one that you constructed. The arcs are very big, so I'm going to clean some portions of it so that it becomes very clear. Okay, this is okay now. This is the point of intersection of the two arcs, and this is point O. We are going to join them to get the 90 degrees angle. So you draw a straight line to join these 2 points to get the 90 degrees angle. Join a straight line through them, and this will give us the 90 degrees angle. The angles formed along this line is 90 degrees, and the angle between this point and this point is 60 degrees. It means that the angle between this point and this point here is 30 degrees. We want a 15 degrees angle so that we can add it to the 90 degrees angle formed here. So we are going to bisect the angle between this point and this point. To do that, you pick the needle of the compass and you put it on this point. Then I'm going to adjust the compass a little bit. After that, you turn it and construct an arc here. Now, after doing that with the same radius, you move the needle of the compass to this point, then you turn it and construct another arc to intersect the first one. So construct another arc to intersect the first one like I have here. We are not done with the compass, so I'm going to take the compass off. And I'm also going to clean the extra portion of the arc so that you can see it clearly. It's okay now. This is the point of intersection of the two arcs, and this is point O. We are going to draw a straight line to join them in order to get our 105 degrees angle. So using your ruler and your pencil, you draw a straight line to join the point of intersection of the two arcs and point O. And this will give us our 105 degrees angle. Let's call this point here point C. If this point is point C, then we can say that angle COB will give us 105 degrees. So the angle formed between line OC and line OB is 105 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. So far, we have learned how to construct some angles using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. In the next video, we are going to learn how to construct a triangle using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. Bye-bye.